Hi lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. So this is my second video that I filmed on the same day. So let's get started. So this is it's time for our leftover money or budget from last month to put on our saving challenges. So let's see how much. I haven't counted yet. So there's a lot of coins as well. So let me just put it here, this one aside first. And for the coins, wow. I put it in here. This one, just put it aside. Okay, let me get the coins. So just put it on my coin jar. So $10 coin jar is here. Let's see. Oh, here, 3. So, okay, let's 3. And let's see, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's count here. 30. Hang on. $10 is 30 plus, just put here. $5 is 2, 4, 6, 60. $90. Put it on this jar. This is $5 coin jar. Okay. The rest too. So these coins, let's see, 2, 4, 5, $10. 20, 30, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, this is $50. Plus 1, 2, 3, 5. Plus 5 plus the cents. I will not count. I just put it directly on my cents jar. You see? All right. Okay. So 145 plus 145 for the coins, and sorry about this mess because I haven't counted yet. I just wait for the time that I need to put it on a saving challenge. That's why. Okay, let's count. 100. It's old notes. Plus 50 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 100. 2, 4, 6, 60. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 90. So 545, it's what's left on our last month budget. So what I'm going to do is all of the coins here, I will save it into our coin jar. Okay. And let's put it aside and let's just save the one on. And let's get our binder. So let's save in here. Okay. So for Emergent B, it's from Two Sister Bees. I will save here, I think, not much. Let's save here for now $40. So 1, 3, and 4. So $40. So far, what we have here are 100, 200, 300, 350, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 400, 480. So 480. I know I can finish it this year, so let's wait for that. I'm so patient to finish this challenge. Still have few more months. So this one is save 20 or 25 for this year 2025. So these are roll. You have to roll it. You have to roll the six-sided dice. It's one die or dice, and if you roll even, you can save 20, or if you want to, or if you're on a low budget, and if you roll odd, you can save 25 or 5 if you're in a low budget. So for me, I'm using the bigger amount, and I'm already on this line. So let's see if I roll how many. Let's first roll 2 dice. So 5. So it odd number is 25. One more. So it's odd number, so 25. So I will save here $50. And I will count it later. I will go back here if I still have money to save, but let's see. If you want to get this challenge, you can check my Copa shop. And this one is from April Fresh Start. Its section is $20. So let's put here 40 for now. One, two. So the completed saving challenges here. At the end of this year, I will allocate it into our sinking funds. So $40 for now. Put it back there. And this one is from Miss Judy of Save with Judy. It's save 25 a month. So I'm already on in this. So let's save here $15. Okay, let's save here 15. So give me 20 and I get the coins. Okay. And let's color this. Okay, let's color this. I'm not good in coloring, and I'm not that artistic, so but let me just color this one. That's why I don't make lots of saving challenges, because I'm not artistic. It's not my talent. I don't know. Okay, and let's skip it. This one is from the Plans and Budget. I'm so far away with this one. You see, this is June, this is July. I haven't finished it yet, so let's save here the lower amount. So 2, let's count so I can just catch up the smaller one there. 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4. So it's 25. Okay, just to finish this. Okay, this done. Ding, ding, ding. Ring the bell. You can ring my bell. Ring the bell, my bell. So let's keep it here. And this one, let's see. This is roll the dice, so I can do that. So let's save here $2 each. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So let's save here $16 so I can cash up to August. But I don't have coins for now, so let's save here $20. Okay. And ring the bell. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. My bell. Okay. So I cash up now. And next one. Oh, I put it there. Oh my God. I mess up. So I need to keep it and put it all together. I forgot already. So let's see here. Just combine the money then. So if this is how much? Sorry guys, sorry lovelies. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So I need $4 change. Okay, I get it. I get it now. It's my mistake. And you know me, if it's my video doesn't have a mistake, it's not my video. Some of you will know that already. Okay, just put it together. I thought I'm going to, so I will not count it. Okay. So let's just write down how much I save in here. 25. And here is 16. Alright. That's the way you have to catch up. This is my only way to catch up, okay? So May, June, July. Next one is August, okay. This one, I need to put it at the back. This one is August. This one is from Bobby of Canadian Finance Journey. So I started last March and now let's $10 per circle. So let's save here $40. Let's see if there's a $60 here. Okay, there's a $60. Let's get 100 and put this $60 there. And color this. Okay. And I'll come back when I still have money to save for August. And this one is from Nita of the Almost Organized Owl. This one I purchased through her Etsy shop last year. So let's see how much I can save in here. Still have a long way, this one. Alright, so how much we save here? Let's see if I can save here 200 or 150. Let's see. 100, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, let's just save 100 here. Oh no, oh no, oh no, ho, ho, ho. Let's check. Okay, let's check. 100 minus, okay, here. 24 plus 3 plus 22 plus 30, 79 plus 29, so 108. Okay. No, cannot. Minus 29, 79 plus 11, 90. Plus, okay, let's save $90. 90. Okay, let's save 90. I will not count how much I save here. I will count it at the end of this year. So let's color it. Now I want to color it with green. So 24, 3, 22, 30. Let's see again. 24 plus 3 plus 22 plus 30, 79 plus 11. Okay, plus 11. Okay, okay. At least we save some more. Last one, but not the least, maybe. Let's save here. I want to catch up with this one too. This is from Hans and Dance. I go to their website and it is for free. You can check there out. So it's April is, I need 2 more. So each letter is $12. April. So if 12 times 5, $60. So let's save 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, $20 more. Okay, $20 more. And let's color it with yellow. And 2 more here. 2. So what color it gonna be? Let's color it with, and let's color it with this color. So 2, right? 2. Oh, 3, sorry, 3. Okay. I'll color the rest later on of cam. So what I have here is $24. So there's 2 more letters. Okay, let's make it 2 more letters here. So I can save 2 more. So 1 and 2. Okay, I'm catching up. I'm catching up. I'm catching up. So that's all the left money go. And I'm so excited to uh, finish all of this and see how much I will save for this yearly and monthly saving challenge. And I hope you too. So if you have extra money and or extra budget and you don't want to spend it or you want to roll over it, it's up to you. But for me, what's left for our budget, I always put it on our monthly and yearly saving challenges, and later on I will reallocate it into our sinking funds or whatever other funds that I need to put money on. So I hope you like my video today. If you do, please put a like, comment, subscribe, or hit the notification bell so I'll be updated on my next video. That's it for now, lovelies. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye. Love ya. Bye. God bless.